take a shot.
Yeah, and then Frank's right here.
Nasty as fuck. We got a burger and some ribs. And some sushi bake. We're about to eat this up. Alright. Try some of that sushi bake. Look at that. Oh yeah, that bust, dude.
Very favorable.
Now for the burger. The crisp. Beautiful ass rib.